Josh, 18, mathematician. Math always was one of my favorite subjects in school. See, I'm a straightforward person, and math is a straightforward subject. With math, it is what it is. It is set in stone and can be proven. Math cannot be half right or half wrong. Either you have it or you don't. And if you don't have it, you learn how to get it. Math is never inconsistent. Math never lies. Math always wins. Until it gets out of the classroom. See, once you try and apply math to our daily lives, you realize it has given more damage than direction. Direction yourself 43 miles north from where I'm from, where the zip code increases by 10 squared and the salary rates increase exponentially. If knowledge comes for free, why is education becoming such a burden for some of us to pay for? 4 years spent in high school teaches more than the high school itself. It taught young boys to divide and conquer young girls so they multiply seeds multiple times. So when the consequences are carried over, you have to drop down by one number when you subtract somebody that is worth less than the school system. Attic equations taught us how to solve more than one problem at once, but we have been doing that since birth. The obstacles we hurdle over on a daily basis are synonymous with the digits of pi we had to memorize because both are never ending. Math was taught to us before we even knew what math was. We were told that black is the absence of light, but black is the combination of all colors preceding it. And 3rd grade taught me that the sum is always greater than its parts. So don't you try and convince me that I am only worth 3/5 of the rainbow that cultivates inside of me. Jim Crow taught me fractions well before my syllabus even deemed me ready to learn. We were told that success is like an asymptote. We can get infinitely close, but we'll never be able to actually touch it. We just get a little closer as time goes on and on, but an asymptote means that my limits do not exist in the first place. Only those in calculus will get that line. We were force-fed formulas for volume, but we're forced to learn ourselves on our own. There is no formula for that. Dividing the mass of how much of me there is by the density of how much I am worth will not spit out my volume as a man. Adding together the different sides of us will not tell you who we are as a people. You're only scratching the surface of our area. I will use math to calculate theorems, but I will not let theory calculate my probability of failure based off of percentages from a small sample size and tell me my perseverance is a chance occurrence. No, there are no outliers here. Our prosperity cannot be determined by an algebraic expression. The number of variables are innumerable, giving an infinite number of solutions. I am not a number on a roster. I am not my area of residence. Half of us are taught what 2 + 2 is. The other half taught ourselves how to put 2 and 2 together at an age less than or equal to 21. I am more than an observational study. I am more than a statistic. I am a mathematician because math is in my blood whether I wanted it to be there or not, and I choose becoming a mathematician over a statistic any day of the week.